Why?
We were just hunting for bums.
Hi guys, it's the last part to the bumper series, putting a new bumper on the Project Audi. So this is part 3. The bumper's done. It's on the car. I want to show you real quick. I'm gonna make it really fast because you guys have seen enough of me sanding and filling and sanding and filling and priming and sanding and filling of this front bumper. So real quick, I'll show you the last bits of what got me to here, having the bumper on the car. All the sand scratches are gone. I took care of the imperfections where it was wavy down here at the bottom corner. I'm pull the Audi in and take off the old crappy destroyed bumper and get this guy mounted up on there. A couple of you have suggested taking a heat gun to this bottom lip where it's damaged right here, so I might give that a shot. But here's the area where I had the heaviest body work, and I mean, it's not perfect, but it's pretty good considering this is just gonna be vinyl wrapped. Matches the other side at least. Yeah, buddy. Starting to get this grill back in there. Dude, this is looking awesome. So this just happened. I have my garage door half down because it's windy and the sun is like coming in and stuff. And I just walked into my garage door when I went under it. Literally just walked right into it. I'm an idiot. Oh wow, this thing wasn't even held on. Are you serious? There you go. Come oust. Come oust. Hose. Like something like this. It's so close. I still have one final step to do. I'm gonna try to clean these fog lights up, and then I got some yellow LED bulbs that are gonna go in here. Put these on the car, and then I'll show you the finished product. The pits aren't going away, it's glass, and there's nothing I can really do. Oh well, not much I can do. I don't have the tools to be able to polish these. Vallejo. I don't remember how much these things were, but they're Novsite. They're made by Novsite. I don't know. They were cheap, and they're yellow, and that's what we were looking for. Okay, I'm gonna test these, make sure the polarity is correct before I put them in the car. Yes, they work. Cool, all right, let's get these mounted. Vallejo, isn't that from a Ludacris song? Vallejo? I think it is. Vallejo. Here it is, the finished product. This made such a difference to the front of this car. I love the fog lights. It's about as good as I could get the bumper gap. I tweaked the brackets as best as I could. Bumper gap is a little off on this side, but it's about as best as I could get it with how bent the mounts were. Mail time! Well, I'm excited. All right, we'll do mail time. I'm gonna open up some mail from you guys that you sent me to my PO address, which is listed down below. So the first one is from Javier Jimenez. I don't know Spanish, but I'm trying. Did I get it right? I tried. Ooh, fancy postage. It's got a little seal of approval with a hummingbird. How do you know I like hummingbirds? That's crazy. Try to open this without ruining the hummingbird. Ugh. It is. Oh, that's sweet. It's a thank you card. Thank you. Why would any of you thank me? I should be thanking you guys because without you, I don't have a YouTube channel. So thank you. This is Sarah. Thank you for the awesome detailing videos. Keep up the great work. Javier Jimenez. Oh, you're welcome. I will have a lot more detailing videos coming up for you guys. I was just kind of taking a little bit of a break so that way my channel doesn't get into like one groove. So that way I figured I'd just flood you with sanding videos on this Audi for a week. That's one thing I want you guys to know. If you ever get sick of the content on my channel and you start getting bored of what you're seeing, don't worry, because my content changes like the weather in Colorado. I know this because I used to live there. That's one thing I want to make a point doing on my channel is I am never going to stick to just one type of content repetitively, because I get annoyed and bored too, and I'm sure you guys do. If I'm doing a lot of car reviews one week or car detailing content, don't worry, I'm gonna change it up because I always wanna cycle through car detailing content, doing actual work on project cars, and doing car reviews. And I'm gonna just mix it up so it's always a constant flow of different things because I don't want you guys to get bored of watching my channel. Thank you for the card. I'm gonna put this in my office. That was really sweet of you. Next is, it's a box of royal purple from Ferris. Oh, what is this? Oh, that's crazy. It's like a wheel woolly, but it looks like a cartoon Christmas tree. Oh, it's tire gloss. Oh, cool. You're smart, you put it in a Ziploc bag. Oh, this is awesome. So I'm mixed on tire gel. I personally like gloss tires. That's just me. But I know a lot of people don't like gloss tires. So when I detail cars, I generally ask the person, whoever's car I'm detailing, what they prefer. Because some people like it, some people don't. I like it. I think it looks good. Smells like raisin bread. Odd. Smells like raisin bread. Ooh. I will definitely be trying this out. The Audi is dirty and my Subaru's dirty, so I have nothing clean to try this on right now. Don't worry, a lot more detailing content coming. I'll keep it fresh. You also included, ooh, these are really nice. Some waffle cloths. Oh, I like these a lot. Oh, thank you. Thanks a lot. I will be trying this soon on a video with this thing's cute. Last one. This one is from Steve C. I know it took a little while to open some of these. I was trying to like accumulate a few pieces of mail to open. So I waited like a couple weeks, but it's a card. It says, oh my God, I'm sorry it took so long to open this. I'm so sorry. It's a Valentine's Day. That is so sweet. Oh, it says take time to do what's important on Valentine's Day. Change my litter, pet me, feed me, get me that feathery thing on a stick, give me some catnip, fill up my water dish, scratch me behind my ears, rub my belly, please. Oh my God, that is so sweet. It says happy Valentine's Day from the one who runs things around here, the cat. Grab some Starbucks on the way to your Harbor Freight. Oh, thank you. That was very sweet. Starbucks card and a Harbor Freight card. Thank you. Okay, I'll have some more mail time coming for you guys. I'm gonna try to do it like twice a month, depending on how much mail I get. If you guys are wondering what my PO box is, it's down below in every video description of all the videos I post, as well as a 10% off coupon code for Detailer's Domain. So if you guys wanna buy detailing products or you're needing to buy some, I have a 10% off code down below in every video description as well. Okay, so now that that's done, I'm gonna go start looking at wrap colors. So we're going down a Grocery Getter garage and we're gonna check out some wraps for the Audi. Okay, let's go. Come here, pigeon. Come here. Aw. Does it have one wide body fender?
Yeah.
What? What? Why?
The drift thing where you smack, see how close you can get the back.
We all suck at drifting.
Like hoonigans.
Yeah, so we drifted up against that blue dumpster over there and smacked the tube up against it. Yeah.
And then you have a rainbow "Don't Tread on Me" flag.
Room is the pole bondoed to the car. We mixed the bondo right here on the soft top.
Oh, awesome.
Yeah.
And a piece of wood.
That's a stir stick.
I like the bear.
Yeah. The headlights have to stay up on these cars.
Meth.
This is the meth Miata.
What the? It's a meth Miata.
Yeah, that was the name for it.
That was beans. There's like a chili,
Some hummus. Some cake.
Yeah, there was chocolate cake. This was Cholula.
Oh yeah.
I was just kind of
I like the shift
We leave
boot.
it outside. There's no back window.
It's a
quick
bandana.
release. You can just...
Oh my god.
It hasn't gotten stolen yet.
You just bang fourth gear and then you rip the radio out.
Yeah.
How much was this?
$700.
That's actually kind of a lot.
Well, it was $800, but it came with a brand new soft top, and I sold it back to the kid that sold me the car. So technically, it's $700.
We were just hunting for bums.
For what?
Bums. We
we
just
were out
like to
there.
observe. We don't mess with them.
Oh.
We just drive by real slowly.
Just kind of wave and make their day with the car.
Yeah, we were out there like 2 weeks ago, and all of a sudden some dude came sprinting across the street, right across Country Club right there. He's wearing short shorts and this weird white t-shirt. I think he had a fanny pack.
Yeah. Just as weird as you can get.
He's all, there's a dude with a gun out there! There's a dude with a gun! Go, like, get out of there! We didn't even hear him. And next thing we know, there's like 6 squad cars surrounding the desert out there. Like, go, dude, go! Like, get across the street! He plows over all these bushes and shit, gets a flat tire.
Now I drove across the street, across Country Club in front of 6 squad cars in this with a flat tire.
I got some wrap colors. They're Avery wrap colors, so I'm gonna go through and look at some colors to see. Actually, I'm gonna bring them up to the car. That's, personally, this is my favorite. I like the matte olive drab green, but that's just me. There's this, it's a matte metallic brown. I kind of think that's cool. And there's something like this. It's like a matte gunmetal color. Marrakesh matte brown, which is kind of like coppery in person. And then the military green matte, which is just another olive drab, but it's darker. It's much, much darker. Frozen gray matte, and it has metallic in it too. I think that would look pretty good. Definitely happy with how this front bumper turned out though. The only thing that sucks is it gets dirty really easy. So that's kind of a bummer. I don't know, so those are some of the colors that I'm thinking for the Audi. What do you guys think? Before the car gets wrapped, I am going to do the hood. I want to sand the entire hood because there's rust along the front of it and there's an upward dent in the center. So I'm gonna take care of that sanding and getting the hood prepped and ready for vinyl. I don't know if I'll put it in a video unless you guys really request it in the comments below on this one, but yeah, all I have left is the hood. There's a spot in the back bumper, and then to have the car PDR to get rid of the dents. And then it's gonna get vinyl wrapped. So let me know in the comment section below, what are your guys' thoughts on colors? What do you think of the colors I showed you? Those are kind of like what we're thinking in that area. Kind of dark, matte, metallic-y colors. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you soon with some MR2 content, I think. I'm gonna be working on the MR2 engine this weekend. So I'll see you guys soon with another video. Bye.